Hey, this is Chris. Welcome back for another math video. Let's compare the numbers a equal to 3 to the power of 2025 divided by 27 and b, which is 2 to the power of 2025 multiplied by 2 to the power of 505 divided by 2, and the last two numbers are squared. In order to compare the numbers, we need to reach the calculations for a and b to something like a equals p to the power of x and b p to the power of y, so that we would have equal bases, and then we can compare the exponents. Or we can write a as p to the power of x and b as m to the power of x. We would have equal exponents, but the bases are different and they can be compared. So let's reduce a and b to such an expression. A equals to 3 to the power of 2025 divided by, we write 27 as 3 to the power of 3, and now we apply the following rule. If we have a number, let's say e to the power of x divided by e to the power of y, this is equal to e to the power of x minus y. And this is the quotient rule, which will apply also later. And this is equal to 3 to the power of 2022. And that's it. B would be equal to 2 to the power of 2025 multiplied by, we apply in this parenthesis the rule from below, and we will get that it's 2 to the power of 504 and everything squared. And now we apply the following rule. E to the power of x and everything to the power of y equals with e to the power of x multiplied by y. And this is the power rule, which we apply here, and we would get that. We would have 2 to the power of 2025 multiplied by 2 to the power of 504 multiplied by 2. This is equal to 2 to the power of 2025 multiplied by 2 to the power of 1008, which is equal to. Now we would apply the product rule, another rule. Let's say here, if we have e to the power of x multiplied by e to the power of y, this gives e to the power of x plus y. And we apply it here for our numbers and get that this is 2 to the power of 2025 plus 1008, which is 2 to the power of 3033. So our numbers are a equal to 3 to the power of 2022, and we need to compare it with b, which is 2 to the power of 3033. We don't have equal bases, we don't have equal exponents, so we need to find a way to do this. If we look at 2022 and 3033, we would see that they are multiples of 1011. So that would give us an insight into the solution. So let's see what we can do here. We would write a as 3 to the power of 2 multiplied by 1011, and we apply this rule from here so that we can write this as 3 to the power of 2, everything to the power of 1011, and this gives us 9 to the power of 1011. And now let's do a similar thing for b, which b is 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by 1011. This is equal to 2 to the power of 3 everything to the power of 1011. And this is 8 to the power 1011. Looking at the exponents, they're equal, and the only difference is between the bases. So we would get that a is greater than b. If you like this video, drop it a like before you go and make sure you subscribe for more. See you soon for the next one.